ushoboye ntekereza ko abenshi mumuzi ngiye rero kubwira izina rye mu kanya nubwo Monsieur Adel Amoboshe ndiwe turi kumwe ahangaha.
To adapt myself with you. In the field, I'm other person. Outside, I'm open 24 of 24. And for the players, it's the same. All together, we can do something. Alone, I can do nothing. When I say all, it's you also journalist, because you are part of the developing for this national team and for this talent. My colleague from long time, I play against him. Sometimes he beat me, sometimes I beat him. But I know how to make pili-pili from all people know the credibility of Eric and his professionalism and nationalism. He work a lot, he develop a lot, and he's not a coach who talk too much. He's the
kubwira kontara n'imyaka ibiri kuri bose, haba kuri bagize kontara ku ikipe y'abagabo n'ikipe y'abagore.
Ou les équipes qui jouent à l'extérieur dans des Champions League ou quelque chose comme ça. Donc j'ai une idée sur le football ici au Rwanda, que ce soit les joueurs locaux et les joueurs à l'étranger. En plus, le temps presse. C'est vrai que c'est pour ça on peut pas. Il faut être là. Donc il ne faut pas changer tout. Il faut rester dans cette stabilité. T'en fais pas, les meilleurs joueurs, ils sont toujours là, ils sont connus. Donc on va pas inventer d'autres joueurs. Donc I give the answer for the first and the second in the same time. You know, for that I say we know the players, and I have staff. I believe on staff, and we have the next game also is going to be the good test for some players up here against Lyon Sport in the 8th. And with other players, we know the quality for other players. For these players, local players, we give him also the chance to show us what he can do. And also I would add, his national team is open for all the Rwandese players. You know, if they are players in second division, he can play in the national team I talk him. And all people know me about this. If they are players age 16, he can play, I talk him. Like what I did in Kenya with Olunga, he was 17, taking national team, or local players. Maybe you know about your neighbor here, like Sidek Amisi, he was 16, Papi Fati 16, Demuga 16, I took all Piero Kwizera 16. I don't scare to take the youth talent player, because we must build also the future. But we must be careful, and we go slowly in the development. I think I answer for your question. We have what we have. We are going to deal with what we have, and the more important is we are here, and we are going to start all together to finalize our project.
Match zirayimereka cyane kandi twe turi kumwe, dushobora no kuvugana match irangiye, dushobora n'ikindi gihe na kampu nk'uko yabivuze ivuba, tuzagira umwanya w'izindi interviews, ariko icyo nakubwira kontara n'imyaka ibiri kuri bose, haba kuri bagize kontara ku ikipe y'abagabo n'ikipe y'abagore. Amavubi n'imyaka ibiri, nk'uko yavuze kuri ziriya competition zinyuranye byanze bikunze harimo targets tugomba kugeraho, ariko hari n'ibindi tuzageraho biri mu masezerano. nkaba numva rero ibyo twabihariye undi mwanya kuko ubu ngubu tubigiyemo
comme APR ou les équipes qui jouent à l'extérieur.